C4 to check out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's 1994 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actual mile car at 90,378 on the odometer at the moment. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter, 350 cubic inch V8 power. Paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Take a good look at the nose in the car. Dark red metallic paint. There's a few little imperfections kind of as you go around it, but paint has a very nice shine to it. And if you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see it from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, storage area, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Correct C4 wheels, radial tires. Technician did note the tires are getting up in there age-wise, 2010, 2011 with date codes on them. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This car does have the owner's manual that'll go along with it, as well as a car cover. There's also a shop manual. We'll send that all along to the next owner. Of course, leather bucket seats, black interior, center console with that automatic shifter. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's also a dash mat or a dash cover that'll go along with the car. Nice shape. And I have it off right now, so in the video I could show you the top of the dash. Nothing crazy or wrong with the dash or anything. But there will be a dash mat that'll go along with it. And you'll see that in the still pictures. We have it actually right over there on the floor with the car cover. And that will be in with the still pictures. And again, those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's also a transparent top. Now I can tell you, and you'll see this in the still pictures also, the transparent top, it's kind of crazing. It shows its age, maybe had some heat to it, but it's kind of crazing, like you'll see crazing on paint. Kind of get those little microfiber, or microscopic, I should say, kind of real light, kind of almost like it's cracking, but call it crazing. And check out the still pictures. Technician noted the brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. Some recent service work that's been done to this as the Optus spark has been replaced, fuel injectors have been cleaned, ignition coil replaced. Did mention the power locks were in-op, but they do work manually. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, what body style, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Little touch-up spot right there. Just a couple little, just real light scratches in a couple spots. So again, paint has a nice shine to it. Is it perfect? No, but it's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun, enjoy it. And these C4s, tell you what, a lot of bang for the buck. And still a very fun to drive, good performing car. Tilt the column, cruise control. Cruise control does work according to the technician that looked at it. There's a good look at the leather seats. Driver's side. And of course, passenger side. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Check the exact miles right here too. Should be able to see them right there, 90,378. And here's a good look at the top of that dash. The Velcro obviously is from the dash pad or dash mat. There's nothing crazy there. Does have an aftermarket Pioneer stereo system.
Minnesota is building a new home in Italy.
Tack is working, as you can see, and then the rest of the gauges, that was a cold start, so I won't expect oil temp or temp gauge to be up. Dual power seats. Hop out of here a second. All right, something else I want to show you. Column, as far as the steering column, if you're familiar with C4s, that is nice and tight. A lot of times people getting in and out of these will use that as kind of support to get in and out, and it will loosen up those steering columns. This one is nice and tight. Something to always watch for when you're purchasing a C4. Power antenna works. Smooth running, sounds stock. No crazy exhaust or anything like that. Let me see if I can lift this hood one-handed here. There we go. Underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. There's that engine bay. Again, 5.7 liter. Optispark recently replaced. Fuel injectors clean. Ignition coil replaced. Before we have Jason take this for a drive, if we forgot to, we'll check out those headlights. Make sure they work. So stick around to the very end of this video. I'll get that hood back down and check out those headlights. So let me pause this a second. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. All right, quick check of the headlights here. Headlights working. There you go, clean Carfax, actual mile car, 1994 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1994 Chevrolet Corvette. This one in a burgundy color with black interior. This is an automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Pioneer stereo in the dash. Let's get some speed up here first. Typical good acceleration and exhaust note coming out the back of the Corvette. Stereo sounding good. Our speedometer working, showing digitally 55 miles an hour. At 55, the tachometer is doing 1400. Nice and low. The oil pressure 60 psi. The water temperature 180 degrees. And the volts are charging over 14 volts as they should. AC blows cold in this car. Test the light. The wipers live, they are working. Brakes are working well. There's some crazing in the see-through roof of this car. However, you can still see through it, and it lets light in the way it should. And it's removable, so you can run with no top on that Targa top Corvette like this. Corners the way a Corvette should, nice and flat. Easy to steer with excellent power steering. Leather bucket seats, of course. This dash pad protecting the dash underneath. Take a look at all the pictures of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.